Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2015 Kia Sorento EX. Coming in this nice silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.3-liter engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get a tow hitch, rear park sensing, backup camera with a nice little roof spoiler, got roof rails as well, mud flaps on the rear and front. We do get window deflectors on this vehicle as well, with turn light indicated mirrors, got a nice black hood deflector, license plate bracket, block heater, and that nice Kia grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do have quite a bit of cargo space. You got a cargo mat, hooks and doodads to hold your gear down, 12-volt outlet. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, and you do get front storage up front as well as back storage, and you do get quite a bit as well. Taking a look on the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, got cargo nets on the front seats, plenty of door space with some wood paneling, floor mats with a carpeted interior, got heated back seats with a 12-volt and 115-volt outlet, and of course you can fold this down for arm space and cup holders. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a nice power driver's seat with the same leather interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, windows, lights, mirrors, memory seating for up to 2 drivers, gas cab, traction, all-wheel drive lock, lights, heated steering wheel, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 127,285 kilometers. Got a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, we have our toggle screen, phone, volume, playback, play forward, mute, mode, all that jazz. And looking at our screen here, we do have our average kilometers, time, engine time, trip A and B, all that jazz. To my right, we have a gear select with some wood paneling, 115-volt outlet, park sensing, active eco mode, you got storage, cup holders, more wood paneling, storage here with some outlets, UVO sound system, aux, USB, all that jazz. Got some nice storage in the glove compartment as well. Dual climate up front, heated front seats. Got a nice digital display for your climate control so you can see that it will go up or down based off what you press. Wood paneling on the dash, storage below. About me, we do have our features for our twin panel moonroof, which provides excellent lighting for the vehicle. And looking here, we have a SiriusXM sound link, Bluetooth capabilities, CD, media controls, obviously because we don't have one. You have a jukebox, phone setups, categories, and all that usual stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is FA97236-1A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.